This is a great camera. We'll get to the camera in a second. It comes with its original leather case, very nicely made, so you can actually put your hand here. It has included lens cap as well. Very nice, real genuine leather. You open it here so you can change the cartridge. So let's check the camera out. This is the Agfa Microflex 200, in great condition, as you can see. Nearly no scratches on it. Great clean lens with perfectly working zoom. Light meter works great. The camera is in outstanding condition. So let's check it out. As you can see, super clean battery compartment as well. You always need to follow the instructions here on the side. It works with only 2 AA batteries, and I said in great condition. Off, on. Light meter works great as well. So, as you know, we always test the cameras with expired cartridges. Expired cartridge is much harder to spin, so if the motor manages to spin an expired cartridge, it will surely spin a brand new one as well. That's an old school color from 40. The old school cartridges, expired cartridges, are much harder to spin than regular new ones. Mark the cartridge, insert it in gently, close the lid, and shoot for several seconds. As you can hear, perfectly working. So let's see what the result is. As you can see, no mark there anymore and perfectly straight film. No mark there anymore means that the motor manages to spin even a very hard spinning old school expired cartridge, and the straight film means that the motor and the film gate work simultaneously together, which is extremely important for the footage. So whoever gets it will be super lucky with it. We hope the new owner will shoot loads of great memories on it. Bear in mind that this is made in Germany. Incredible cam, as you can see, like brand new. So, thank you for your time, and let's keep Super 8 alive.